Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the Windows Update error code 0x800B0003 when attempting to update your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to resolve this issue. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. And now I'm going to have a couple commands in the description of my video. Go ahead and copy the first one. It's a DISM scan. And then go up the top bar of the command prompt window here, right click on it, select Edit and paste that in. Give us a couple minutes to run. Now that has finished, go ahead and copy and paste the second command in the description of my video. This is the System File Checker Utility Scan, and give us a minute to run as well. And once that's done, you can see it did find corrupt files and successfully repaired them. Go ahead and close out of here, and you want to restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully this pointed issue should have been resolved. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.